Hi my YouTube friends, welcome back to another video, and I want to let you know that I will be doing something special this summer, but I'll tell you that a little later in the video. So remember those prints I did without having a jelly plate? Well, if you don't, that's okay. I will link it right now so you can watch it. Well, I decided to do something with them today. First of all, I thought this one was not colorful enough for the play that I wanted to do today. So I took my neon acrylic paints and started adding in more color to make it even more brighter. And oh, I just love these rainbow colors together. So while I'm adding these in, I will tell you about the summer. You know, in the summertime I actually have time to watch videos. I noticed there were not that many new videos coming out. So normally I would take a break in the summer from making videos and doing projects, and only do projects when I feel like it, but not necessarily also make videos about them. For this year I had planned a little late, because I'm not that much of a planner, to do some easy and fast projects over the summer, make short videos and release them every week like I usually do. And this will be the first. So are you interested in some easy and fast projects? Be sure to check back for more videos in my summer card art series. So back to this project. I wanted to make something really colorful because I was working on a black background. I'm starting to draw all these leaves on the back of my page, and then I start cutting them out. And at first I wanted to do a flower in the corner, and I start arranging my flowers, and then I decide, I think this is too small. So I'm dragging it to the middle of the page. I never start gluing. I always try to see how things look, because when I have an idea in my head, it's always wonderful. But if I'm trying to make it, most of the time I completely change my mind, because something else just looks better. So never glue anything down before you're really happy with it. So then I decided, of course, that my flower should be in the middle, and I didn't have enough petals. So I'm starting cutting some more and hoping that I will be having enough paper. I'm arranging them again and decide to make a two-layered flower. When that decision is made, then I can start to glue all my pieces onto my page. And the wonderful thing about this is that the size of my art journal is a 6x6, but that means that you can also turn this very easily into a card. And then I still don't have enough. I still need, I think, 2 petals. I still need one more petal, and I just have one more little spot where I can cut out a petal. So I do have enough paper, so that's great. And I'm also adding in my second layer, and it doesn't have to be perfect, because the middle circle will cover the things up. I have a flower onto a black page, but I still need to do a little bit more, and I decided to do some zantangle on my page. Now bear with me, this is actually the second or the third time I do anything with zantangle, so it's kind of a challenge. And I'm not big at doodling at all, so I'm just going with the flow here actually. I did an outline around the whole flower with just with a scallop border. And then I want to doodle some more in some places on my black page. So it's not, because it felt too empty. So it needed more. And I'm just doodling some leaves, leafy kind of stuff, and some swirly things. Not thinking too much about it, just doing what feels right. And I do keep the opposite corners in the same kind of style. For the rest, I just went with the flow. So when I'm done with my white pen, I also take a black pen, because I think the flower in itself also needs some more accent. So I'm starting doodling just some circles onto the middle of my page, and then I also just put a black line to outline the petals, so it has a little bit more definition, and you can see. So it's not one big blur, but you can actually see it's a petal. Adding in some more dots with my white pen. And for now, I'm calling it done. Don't know if I will add something more later, but for now I'm done. So this is the first video in my summer card art series. I hope to see you back. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful summer. And check back next week for a new video. Bye bye everybody!